How's it going there, guys? James here from Butler Farms on a beautiful day after Thanksgiving. Pray all of you had a great Thanksgiving holidays and got to spend time with your family. But if you've spent any time on my channel, you probably know where I am right now because you've seen me here before. It is deer season here in Alabama. Deer season's been in about a week. We've seen a few deer, seeing some on camera. They're usually in here at night. It has been unseasonably hot. We went through a cold spell, and then right before deer season came in, it was running in the mid to upper 70s. I mean, the first couple of times I hunted this year, I literally hunted in a short sleeve shirt, just simply because you couldn't stand anything else. But again, it's the day after Thanksgiving. We had some weather come in. I guess it was Wednesday. Tuesday night and Wednesday morning, and push some of this cold air in here. And we're supposed to have some good cold weather here over the next several days, so hopefully this is going to get the deer up and moving. And you know me, I'm always in search for food. If you've seen me on video, you know that I don't miss a lot of meals anyway, but no, I'm always looking for good things to feed my family. And as you've seen in other videos that I've done on this topic, this is how we get the majority of our red meat. Beef has gotten so incredibly expensive, whether it's ground or whether it's steaks. Here, you know, a decent steak is running about $10 a pound, and $10 and up a pound. And we just, you know, we don't need a lot of steaks anyway, but we just can't afford to do that. Now, as you know, hunting is part of my heritage. Hunting is part of our family traditions, and we do a lot of it. And this is how we get a lot of our meat. So here we are, just getting in the stand. It's good and cool this afternoon. I think it's going to be a good afternoon. We've been seeing a lot of activity in this field, and maybe this good cold weather will get them up and moving. But always looking for ways to supplement our diets. I do all the processing myself, so I know what we do for these deer during the year. I know how we take care of them during the year, and then I also know how they're treated afterwards, and that's a big deal to know. If you're not going to do it yourself, know somebody that you can trust to handle your meat, whether you're getting a beef, whether you're processing a hog, whether you're doing chickens, or whether you're hunting. You know, who handles your food goes a long way in being confident in what you're eating. I also don't add any fat to our ground deer. Keep that out of it, because the only fat I have available obviously would be getting beef fat from the grocery store. And again, not only is it an expense that I don't have to spend, we don't want all the fat anyway that we're having to drain off after we cook it. And not only that, again, as a former meat cutter myself in a commercial grocery store market, that's just something that over the years I've gotten to where I really don't want to put in my meat. I really don't want to feed that to my family. So we're always looking for ways to supplement that, and this is one of them. So it's just a beautiful day after Thanksgiving hunt. I'm up here with my dad, and we're just having a good time. We've been sitting in front of the fire at the camp house and just taking it easy, watching a little day after Thanksgiving football. And so we're going to get quiet. We're going to settle in. I'm going to get all of this ugliness covered up so that I don't get spotted up here. And we'll see what happens. If we see something, or if we take something, I'll be sure to come back and show you how that went. But if not, I'll see you next time on the next video. You know, they call it hunting for a reason. It's not a guarantee. So. But I am going to just enjoy this beautiful, sunny, cool afternoon that God has given me, and just, you know, I'm thankful that I can do this. I'm thankful that I can get out here in His creation. Any day out here, whether I see a deer or not, is 10 times better than being inside a house or a building for me. If you've watched my videos, you know I cannot be inside for any length of time. I go stir crazy in a hurry. So just being out here is a blessing. And, you know, between the two of us today, maybe one of us will get a shot, and maybe one of us will be able to get a deer this afternoon. We'll come back tomorrow. We're planning on hunting tomorrow also. And we'll just hang it tonight and let it cool, and we'll process it and get it portioned out for our families, and we eat a lot of it. We especially during the holidays, making a bunch of soups, and around the holidays, casseroles and all different kinds of things. We don't buy ground beef. So if it's got grind in it, it's going to come from here, and it's going to come from what we produce and what we process. So it's a beautiful thing if you've got access to it. But I hope I get to see you again on this video, simply because if I do, that means that we've been successful this afternoon. But if not, don't forget to check back with me. It's a long season, and we're going to do a lot of hunting. We're getting low in the freezers as far as meat goes, so we've got to put some down at some point. So I'll try to bring you as much of that as I can. People have commented that they like these type of videos, and with my limited knowledge of technology and my limited equipment, I can only do so much, but I'm going to bring you as much as I can. And but if I don't see you again on this one, I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget, we love you. God bless you. This is James from Butler Farms, and we'll be seeing you.